Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix controlled folder access requires turning on real-time protection in Windows 11. Now the case is when you open your Windows Defender security and under the ransomware protection, there, the option of controlled folder access is being grayed out. You can turn it off, neither you can turn it on also. It has this error which is controlled folder access requires turning on real-time protection. Now, in order to fix the problem, we'll be performing a very basic step, and that is here at the bottom search bar. Please type for settings. The moment you have typed it, please go with the best match which has this gear icon and click on open to continue. Once you are here at the settings, please proceed at the left side of it where you can see a list of the options. Where here you need to go with privacy and security. Okay. And proceed with security tab where it contains two options, and that is you need to go with Windows security to go with antivirus, browser, firewall, and network protection for your device. Tap on it, and here you need to go with open Windows security. So wait until you are being redirected to this new window called Windows Security, where here you need to proceed with virus and threat protection. Tap on it and proceed with your virus and threat protection settings. Go with manage settings to proceed. Now here you need to turn it on, and if your user account control asks you to say yes, proceed with yes so that you would be able to turn it on successfully. So proceed by turning on the cloud delivered protection, the automatic sample submission, the tamper protection, and ensure that all of this protection are being enabled or turned on. Once you have ensured that all of this are turned on, click this backward arrow. Okay, and under the virus and protection settings, please scroll down and go with ransom protection. So tap on manage ransom protection, and there you have that the option of controlled folder access is not being grayed out anymore. So you can protect files, folders, and memory areas on your device from unauthorized changes by unfriendly application if you will turn it on. Okay? Your user account control will ask you to say yes. Simply proceed with yes, and there you have it. Okay? So close this window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.